This is a little dish I came up with playing around in the kitchen one night. Went ahead and took half a white onion, 2 stalks of celery, diced it up. Went ahead and added a couple tablespoons of some minced garlic. Then I went ahead and seasoned it with some of that Goya Sazon Total Complete Seasoning. Then I added some white pepper in there, just like that. Then I went ahead and stirred it up, just like that. And here go the star of the show, that cauliflower. Steamed it up in the bag, just like the instructions said on the back. If you do something different, you might burn yourself, so watch out. Now I'm going ahead and use 2 bags. I'm gonna be breaking this up as it's cooking, because we want nice little pieces of cauliflower. We don't want big chunks messing up your dish. So as I sit there and let this saute up a little bit, break down, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1.5 cups of rice. That's right, I'm using white rice. It's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up, just like that. Let that rice get to know that cauliflower, that onion, that celery, and that garlic, and them seasonings. Mix it up well, make sure it's well combined. Then you come in with double the amount of water. I got 3 cups. I'm gonna add that in there, just like that. Go ahead and mix that up. So since I added water, I'm gonna go ahead and reseason. Went ahead and added some more Goya, just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and come back with a little bit of that white pepper as soon as I find it. Yeah, there it is. It's coming in just like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cover it. Cook it per rice instructions. Let it all cook to absorb all up in there. Make sure that rice is tender and not crunchy. If you need to add some more water, just remember to add some more seasoning. Let that bad boy sit, let that rice get nice and crispy on the bottom. Then I'm coming across the top with some American cheese. Yeah, ain't nothing like some good old American cheese. Now as you see, it's starting to melt already. I got that heat off. We're using residual. Then I'm gonna come across with some of this aged white cheddar. I'm gonna break that up just like that. Place it in there. Try to make a little design. It probably won't work because that cheese is gonna melt. You see that American's already almost gone. This is gonna mix up in there like a good little sauce. Now let's get to that gravy. I got 2 tablespoons of butter. Letting that clarify. Then I'm coming through with some of that Drunken Chef SPG Jalapeno. I'm gonna let Chef know that stays in rotation in the house. And I thought I added in this recipe to give my gravy a little pop. Now I'm coming with 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour. That's right. One night I was just like, I don't feel like opening a whole bag of flour for a little bit. We had some wheat open, so this is what I'm using. Go ahead and stir that up, cook it down so that flour smell get up out of there. Start smelling nice, buttery, and nutty. And then that Drunken Chef SPG Jalapeno was adding some serious scents to it as well. I'm gonna keep on stirring it, you know. Come on in with some liquid in a minute. There we go. Coming in with that milk. Now I think I had about 2 cups. I'm just gonna stir it as I'm pouring it in there. Could have been 1.5 cups. Now you won't know the thickness until it comes to a boil. To me, that's perfect. Went on ahead and stirred it up just like that, so it don't be sticking. So there it is, complete plate. You see I got the brownish from that rice right there. That's your boy cauliflower rice with the wheat gravy. Of course, I had to throw some gravy over that biscuit. This is a chicken and jalapeno link that pack was given to me, and it came from Trader Joe's. It tastes pretty good. I taste a piece. But here's that pork steak. Well, not really pork steak, pork loin chop, boneless. And it was brined for about an hour. I rotated the container every 15 minutes to make sure I get even coverage with that brine. And then after that, I rinsed it a little bit and then dusted it with some of this Ohana Spice Trading Company Legend. And then I came across the top with Kinder's brown sugar. For the rice, you know, that is amazing. Went on ahead and got equal parts butter and bacon fat, sauteed up some onions, some celery, and some garlic. And then threw 2 bags of the frozen cauliflower in there and let that saute up a little bit, and then added some rice. Added a cup and a half of rice with 3 cups of water, and I seasoned it with some Goya and white pepper. And of course, when you add a liquid to something, you got to re-season. For the gravy, I threw a little twist on there. As far as seasoning, the same little concept with the fat. I had 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of bacon fat, 3 tablespoons of wheat flour, and went ahead and cooked that down until the flour smell was gone. Added a seasoning to it, and I switched it up. I added Drunken Chef SPG Jalapeno because these rubs are the bomb, and that made my gravy a little bit better. I didn't think it could happen, but yeah, that's it. Enough talking. Let's get, man, let me show you what it's like. Hold on. Before I get a bite all up in your face, I want to cut on this. Is that focusing in? We got moisture in there, boy, from that brine. Yeah. So your boy gonna take a bite all up in your grill. This is some of that rice, my cauliflower rice. That's a meal in itself, and I did it for a meal. Made this for dinner one night. That pork steak, I'm gonna dip it in the gravy on that biscuit. Moisture, not dry. The brining method works. And I grilled these bad boys up. I didn't like indirect. I went on ahead and threw them like over direct coals. I lowered them down every now and then, just so they don't burn, but it came out good. Biscuits and gravy. Ain't nothing better. Just some biscuits and gravy. And this is that. The chicken wing from Trader Joe's. I don't go to Trader Joe's too much because I damn near get in a fight every time I go. Because the people there are rude and they don't give you a chance to look at it. But this is good. I got a nice jalapeno pop to it. I got spice. Got a little bit of seasoning in there. So that's a good. I'm not into chicken sausages, I'll be honest, but that's decent right there. Alright. I will be putting full description in the description box, links to the rubs. Y'all can check that out. This is amazing. Amazing cook. I was just gonna do a short video with the rice, but I'm like, you know what, man, I'm just gonna do a whole meal with it because everybody gotta eat too. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when your boys dropping new content. Appreciate your support from the beginning until now. It's getting a little iffy. But as far as, you hear everything about food shortage and all that. So, we definitely gotta keep a conscious mind on what's going on in the world. Alright, y'all be cool, be safe, be smart. You know what time it is. Black Smoke Barbecue. We still coming. We still here. We all doing the thizzle. Don't forget to check us out. Black Smoke Barbecue on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm not anymore. But check my fellas out. And y'all take care. Be smart. Be safe. Be courteous to one another. Come on.